Greenie Beanies. It's me, Marvy. I am so excited to tell you all about my birthday. Woo! My birthday. Woo! Boy, I had the best party ever. All of my friends came over and played games like hide and seek. Oh, and we also had a mini dance party so I could show off my dance moves. And even Justine flew in to join us. Ladybugs sure do love a good party, you know. We all had pizza and cake. Oh, and everyone sang happy birthday as I blew out my candles. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Oh, and then the best part. I opened all of my presents. I got a lot of really nice gifts, but my favorite present was from my sister, Fab. She made me a zebra print hair bow. Can you believe that? Oh, hang on. I'll show you. Isn't it the best? I really think it brings out my eyes. Hey, do you have a favorite birthday memory? Have a grown-up write your answer in the comments below. I'll see you later, Greenie Beanies. My birthday, my birthday, my birthday. My birthday, my birthday. Oh yeah.